come on, tight, tight, tight. Tight, Sunday.
So 12 deliveries to go for Chennai Rhinos. 3 wickets in hand. How many can they get?
Oh, come on, you're 4 in the circle.
Ramanna, who's acted in 32 movies, acted as a lead protagonist in most of the movies. He's got the big job in hand to propel his team to a decent enough total. And decent, when I say, it should be around 140 mark. Got it. It's a top edge. And misjudged on the mid-wicket fence. The player thought that he'll go for the catch first, but did not judge the boundary well. The ball just landing a foot inside. So good effort by Ramanna. The second boundary from him. He's not wasting any time. He's got into the thick of the action straight away.
Good blow, but in the end, one has to say that the fielder got it all wrong. He misjudged it completely. And the dugout of Chennai Rhinos are so happy. They need more blows out like this. The last 2 overs left in their innings. Ramanna races on to 9. There's hardly much time now, so they need to play the big shots so they get more runs for their side. One bounce into the fence, so that should be a 4. So it is Ramanna. He's got 2 boundaries and has a score of 9. He's acted in so many movies. Some of the lead roles, 3 movies is actually Misai Madhavan, Andhanal Nayabagam and Thambi Arjuna. The lead roles he has enacted in these movies.
And another big swipe. Oh, brilliant. Sliding stop. So plenty of effort in the outfield, and something unique about Ramanna is that Sabha, that he also acts in the Telugu industry, and his screen name in Telugu film industry is Srikanth, where he's acted in movies like Fools as a hero.
So this is a different kind of role which he's playing at this stage. Or all this comes to the cause for Chennai Rhinos. And giving him company or playing the lead role at this stage is Shantanu, who's on 36. Is also a well-established star who has acted in 6 movies so far, 3 of them in lead roles. So both these players have had the experience in the film industry. Now they have to show it on the field. Another heave on the onside. Will only get a single this time.
Good job, good job, good job.
He gets another one. Raja, who has taken another wicket and is the big man who will have to go back. It is Shantanu who finally departs after scoring a well-compiled 36. Caught by Rubin off Raja. So Raja has done quite well for his side in these last overs.
Raja is playing the role of the villain. Similarly, what he does in the Bengali film industry, he's picked up 2 wickets. He's been the villain for Chennai Rhinos. He's picked up 2 crucial wickets at the end. Shantanu has played a good hand, 36 runs. Departs, and Chennai Rhinos has 121 for 8 now.
Hits it well. He'll get some runs here for his side. So these are some very telling blows which Raja has struck for his side. He got the wicket of Arya and then he got the wicket of Shantanu. This is how Shantanu departed, went for the big shot, got a thick outside edge, looped in there and straight to Rubin, was standing as short third man precisely for such a catch. And they are happy. Oh, what kind of dance is this? It's like the chicken dance, if I'm not wrong, made famous by the island side.
Yeah, by Trent Johnson during the World Cup. So after 19, it's 123 for 8 for Chennai Rhinos.